Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Google Drive subscription on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone and I'm going to show you two methods we can try to cancel the Google Drive subscription. The first method is by opening the Google Drive application on your mobile phone. You can go to your Google Drive and you can go to your Google Drive account. You can click on this profile icon on the top right. And if you log into multiple accounts on your Google Drive, make sure you select the account you use to subscribe to Google Drive. And this is the account I used to subscribe to Google Drive. As you can see by the symbol that I have subscribed to the Google Drive or the Google One. And I'm going to open up my Google account. Okay, and to cancel the subscription, we need to go to the payments and subscriptions menu. Okay, then you can scroll down until you find the Google One. This one, guys. And I'm going to tap on the Google One. Okay, and hold on. And tap on the Google One again. And if you want to cancel the subscription, you just need to click on cancel subscription right here. And your subscription to the Google Drive will be canceled right after you click on this option. But I'm not gonna unsubscribe my Google One, guys. So I'm just going to go back and I'm going to show you the second method. You can try to cancel the subscription to Google Drive or Google One. You can unsubscribe from your Play Store. You just need to go to your Play Store and then you can open up your account. You can click on this profile icon on the top right and go to the payments and subscriptions. Okay, and go to the subscriptions and then you can simply select Google One and you're going to click on cancel subscription to cancel your subscription to the Google Drive. Okay, that's easy, right? And if you want to cancel the subscription from your laptop or computer, you just need to do the same. You can go to your Google account and cancel the subscription from there. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel a subscription to Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.